Okay, so I'm very excited today because it's the grand opening of my new studio, the Cass Design Studio. It's elegant, it's sexy, it's beautiful, it's everything that a woman should be. So now throughout the studio you will see pieces of my work, from a wedding gown to a blouse to a suit, everything that a woman can reflect herself into. I just love it. I can't wait to see what they think about it.
I absolutely love this studio. It is amazing. I feel like I'm in some sort of New York fashion designers digs, and it's beautiful. I think it's going to be so successful. I'm very proud of Maggie. Maggie is a wonderful person because she works from the heart. She has true passion around what she does. She is all about making a woman happy and making her look her best.
My name is Wanda Alexis Alexander, not to be mistaken with the other Wanda A. Alexander, who did a fabulous job in decorating this boutique for Maggie and for Cass Boutique. I've known Maggie going on 2 years now, and we met in my desperation to get the perfect outfit for a video for my website, and we became friends. So she's been designing clothes for me for over a year, going on 2 years now, and I cannot even begin to explain what that process has done for me.
I met Maggie at a Sterling Women's Luncheon. We happened to sit at the same table, and I noticed the wonderful design that she was wearing, as well as some of the other ladies at the table, and I said she needs to design my birthday gown because I wanted to have something very special, a 40th birthday formal. So I made an appointment and went in there and I talked to Maggie, and what I was really impressed about was that the first thing she did was try to really get to know me, to really understand what I was looking for, something about my personality and the meaning behind my event. And it wasn't until she really felt like she understood that when she started the designs.
Maggie, congratulations on the opening of your new boutique in McLean, Virginia. I am so proud of you. You are going to do wonderful. Te quiero mucho, Maggie.
Congratulations. You are phenomenal as a human being and even better as a designer, and I wish you the best. I know that it's going to be a huge success. Your opening is fantastic. I'm crazy about you.
It's been an outward creation of the beautiful inward spirit of Maggie Burgess. It speaks to who she is perfectly. It's divine, and I love it.